Setting up an old iFi wireless SD card and found an EHF configuration file. This is the helper configuration file storing your iFi wireless transfer settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through accessing and working with these iFi helper configuration files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust EHF file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. Users encounter EHF files in the application data folders for the iFi Center software, which manage Wi-Fi-enabled SD cards for cameras. These files store settings, transfer logs, or configuration data for the helper application, which facilitated the wireless transfer of photos from a camera to a computer. The EHF file is likely a binary or XML-based data file designed to be read and written exclusively by the iFi helper application. Its structure contains settings and state information, such as connection details and transfer queues, ensuring the background service can operate reliably and resume tasks between sessions. iFi Center, engineered by iFi, is the application of choice for EHF. The file's internal manifest must be processed by a trusted system-level application. Windows offers only basic viewing, so tools or documentation are needed to interpret them correctly. Initiate the compatibility test by right-clicking your EHF file and selecting Open With. If iFi Center is on your PC, test it. If not, select another program from the list and see if it works. If your EHF file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, opening with iFi Helper. Install iFi Helper if you still have access to the legacy software, the original tool designed to work with EHF configuration files. The application reads the EHF file to restore wireless transfer settings and resume automatic photo synchronization from compatible iFi SD cards. Next, inspecting in text editors. Some EHF files contain readable XML or INI-style configuration data viewable in Notepad++ or similar text editors. Open the file to inspect non-encrypted settings such as folder paths and transfer rules. Sensitive credentials are typically encrypted and not readable in plain text form. Finally, migrating to modern solutions. Since iFi service was discontinued, migrate to modern wireless camera solutions like SD cards with built-in Wi-Fi from Toshiba FlashAir or Transcend Wi-Fi SD. Many current cameras include native Wi-Fi for direct transfers, eliminating the need for specialized cards and helper applications like iFi. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.